My people, I beg go, they still they use owo till they eat rice because I no understand. Since when I say make this owo one and they see for here, so now rice that my children use and they eat. Hello, good everyone, you are welcome back. If today is your first time seeing my video, you are highly welcome. In today's video, my people, oh yeah, now no follow me, mo go Delta State, mo go make some owo. They will come carry that owo come to Edo State, then we'll come use and they eat starch. Let's get into the video, my people. As you all can see on this video, I don already put my pot for fire, put am for gas, anyone come add a plenty water inside, then I come put my soak garri, I come pour am inside. After that one, my people, then I come add all this my dried meat, my dry protein when I get. Okay, I have smoky chicken and smoking catfish. Now wetin be the thing when I first put na be that one. Then I come add my prawn, my dry prawn. Then after that one, I come put am for my seasoning cube, seasoning corn, Maggi cube and my Maggi powder. After that one, I come add my little salt because owo na no na at the end today now we'll put our potash so that potash sometimes thick salt the day inside. I don't really know, so if you are making your owo, just add a little salt at the beginning, then at the end after you don't put your potash, if the thing not do okay, then you can add your salt later. So my people, what are you guys thinking? Now we don't add our oil, we go come turn am together, make everything come to an agreement. You understand? You know what I mean. See, this will go when I make so the very day when I make and we use and take is starch. The remaining one, my people, guess what? Now rice, now my children use and take it. I don't know where the combination from come. I don't know where they foresee. And me, I never use owo to eat rice before. But you see my children, they use and take eat rice. So my people, this one now the microfish. When I dry for inside my hair fryer and one baby, and I waiting I get from my house now be that one. So we can pour them inside. Now this is the cocoa, this is the mating inside this owo. Okay, this one we call it potash. I first put am for water. I use hot water to melt. Okay, if you not say the potash not even still melt like that, but this one when I just put, so it was perfectly okay for the owo. Look at it now, just water and garri don't turn to owo. My data people, you guys are enjoying. You get one owo when I first make some time ago. That video trend for TikTok where some people they bash me, go say, madam, wetin be this one where you cook? So this one not be owo, this one are stew, this one are soup. Different story on the comment section, guys. I don't bring the original one. Since when I said this one, I be the original one. When I remember, every state they get how they say they make their food. Every state they get their own original food. And I said that when I first make that one are from we the Benin. Thank you guys for watching. And if you never follow it, see you they wait for. Oh yeah, now follow this page. And thank you all for watching and see you all in my next video now. Bye.